Welcome to these 3 drills that will change your guitar history. A warning: the fingers will pain, especially the pinky finger, and your ricks will pain you. But that is the joy of this lesson. And at the end of this lesson, you will not be the same. Welcome. Finger 2, finger 1, 2, and 3. Move. Now finger 1, 2, 3, and 4. Move. Move. Okay. Now we will go down and come up. Then once we reach here, instead of repeating this, we move to the next fret. Next fret. Next. Next. Okay. Now we will go down and then come up. Going down, we are moving the finger 1, and then coming up, we'll be moving the pinky finger. It's finger 1 that we have moved. So now we'll be coming up, and coming up we'll do this. Instead of playing here, we'll now come, we slide it upward. When we reach here, instead of playing here now, we'll slide it up. That's how we keep going up. You see, we are going up. That's all. Now we go into another drill, second drill. We'll run the first finger across. Once we finish and we come back to the starting point, we'll leave it in the same position and then add the next finger. So once we come here, then we add the next finger. In this touch drill, and you see we have a particular focus on training the pinky finger. So in this touch drill, we are going to start from the middle, which is the string 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we move. You see, we are using basically to emphasize the finger 2 too. So we'll be using this 3. Then we finish with. Then we shift to the next fret. Then we move to the next fret. Then we move to the next fret. Then next. Okay, now we'll do it now together. We'll do it slowly. So, see, we are combining the sliding. Okay. These drills have special focus on the pinky finger. And please do not forget to subscribe, comment, and share our videos. And see you in the next lesson. Until then, subscribe and thank you, and God bless.